Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Steph Kraz, and this is the lovely Miss Sally Cato. And on tonight's edition of Dinner Theater, we shall be performing There's a Fine, Fine Line from Avenue Q. Enjoy your meal. There's a fine, fine line between a lover and a friend. There's a fine, fine line between reality and pretend. And you never know till you reach that top if it was worth the uphill climb. There's a fine, fine line between love and a waste of time. There's a fine, fine line between a fairy tale and a lie. There's a fine, fine line between you're wonderful and goodbye. I guess if someone doesn't love you back, it isn't such a crime. There's a fine, fine line between love and a waste of time. And I don't have the time to waste on you anymore. I don't think that you even know what you're looking for. For my own sanity, I gotta close the door and walk away. Whoa. There's a fine, fine line between together and not. There's a fine, fine line between what you wanted and what you got. You gotta go after the things you want while you're still in your prime. There's a fine, fine line between love and a waste of time. Hope everybody enjoyed.